In this video, I want to show you how to seamlessly transfer all your files, applications, accounts, even your WhatsApp chats from your old Samsung phone to a new Samsung phone. My name is Emmanuel Jacob and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit on the subscribe button to subscribe and also give me a like. The first thing you have to do is to ensure that Smart Switch is being installed on both devices. Then you use Type-C to Type-C cable to connect both devices together and you follow the prompt on the screen, right? Then you are going to click on send on your old device while you click on receive on your new device. So as you can see, the phone on my left hand side is my old Samsung device, which is Samsung S20 FE, while on my right hand side I have Samsung S21 Ultra, right? It took me about 30 to 45 minutes to be able to move all my files from my old phone to the new Samsung, and I think it was worth the wait. So while waiting, I had to use the opportunity to go make custard because I was quite hungry. So when it got to this point, I was already so happy that, oh wow, I would finally be able to move my WhatsApp chats from my old Samsung device to the new one. But bro, the opposite was the case. So after I was able to move everything from my old Samsung device to the new one, I checked my WhatsApp application and I couldn't see my WhatsApp account, I mean on the new phone. So okay, I had to try and sign up my WhatsApp account. So this is me inputting my phone number. So after that, I noticed they only required that I log in because my WhatsApp has a PIN. So I had to input the PIN so I could be able to log in, right? So I was able to log in and they were asking me to transfer my chats from the old phone to this one, right? So I had to grant all permissions so that I could be able to transfer my chats to my new Samsung device. I had to scan the QR code. So it really did not take much time for me to move applications, files, huge photos, videos, and all those stuff, and even accounts from my old Samsung device to the new one. But when it comes to WhatsApp, damn, it took like forever. And I thought, okay, probably maybe at the end of the day, it's gonna be successful. But it wasn't. I was disappointed at the end of the day. So this is to prove to you that there are chances that you might not be successful in the process of trying to transfer your chat using either USB cable whatsoever. Just to avoid being frustrated at the end of the day, I would suggest you back up your chats using the old method of backing off of WhatsApp chats, so you could be able to restore all your chats when you finally install WhatsApp on your new Samsung device. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you found this video helpful in the comments below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.